Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is a quick one. I am very excited to share with you a small piece that I picked up on a whim from Louis Vuitton and also some additional pieces that I ordered from Pat Mcgrath. And I am wearing the Pat Mcgrath makeup and I'm excited to share it with you. So if you're interested in finding out what I picked up from LV and Pat Mcgrath, just keep on watching. So my first piece is from Louis Vuitton, and this was really an impulse purchase, and thanks to Wendy's Loving Life. Hi Wendy. She showed her purchase on YouTube and Instagram, and I was really overtaken by how beautiful the color was, and it just looked amazing. And I called my SA and he was able to locate the item for me, and here it is. It did come with the beautiful ribbon, but I've taken that off, so I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you. It's in a drawer box, and inside we have the receipt because we got to pay for it. And he also sent me this beautiful handwritten card, and that's one of the things that I truly treasure about the relationship that I have with my sales associate and with Louis Vuitton in general, is really the details that they have. And that's why I am a very loyal customer. Inside we have the small dust bag. Any guesses? If you follow me on IG, you will have seen it. If you don't follow me on IG, you should, and I'll put the IG handle right up here to reveal this adorable, gorgeous coin card holder. And hopefully it is coming up with the true colors. This is from the men's collection, and it is in the Lagoon blue color. It has 3 card holder slots right here, and it's got another slot at the end. The back has another slip pocket, and you've got this beautiful silver hardware for the zipper. And once you open it up, you've got the stunning blue interior. Now this is made of cowhide leather and the Eclipse canvas. And this is, again, part of the men's collection, and it is called the Tigerama collection. So this piece was made in Italy, and hopefully you can see that. Here is the item number, and I'll also leave that. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And here is the little card. And it just says coated fabric and cowhide leather trim and interior lining. And it is just a beautiful, beautiful piece. The color is stunning, and it just made me feel happy. With everything going on in the world, this was just like a pop of happiness. So I'm very excited that I added this to my collection, and I can do a separate video kind of letting you know how I use it and maybe comparing it to some of my other card holders. But this is the piece that I picked up from Louis Vuitton. All right, so the second things that I want to share with you are all from Pat Mcgrath. And I know that all of the beauty gurus and the beauty makeup channels have gone ahead and shown all of this, but I really like to share it with you because I'm more of your regular person. I'm definitely not a makeup expert or a beauty guru, and I'm 57 years old, and I quite frankly started meddling with makeup a few years ago, maybe 5 years ago. So I want to share with you what I picked up. And what I picked up was the absolutely gorgeous, yes, I picked up the Divine Rose 2 palette, which is gorgeous. I was not able to pick it up in the beautiful pink case, so I had to settle for the black one. It is what it is. Black is also a very, very beautiful packaging, but of course I wanted the rose gold pink one because I love pink, but it's okay. And this is what it looks like, and the colors are just absolutely stunning. I do not have them on my eyes. I have the Divine Rose 1 on my eyes, and try and give you a little bit of a close-up. Yes, even in these hooded, crepey eyes, I think that it just looks fabulous. I'm really, really happy and experimenting, so I am excited to give this one a try. And then I also picked up her, I'm just looking down to see what it's called, the Divine Rose Lip Trio. So I'm gonna show you the packaging because I've already opened them, and that is currently what I am wearing. And so I went ahead and picked up this right here, which is the lip liner, and it also came with the little sharpener. And the lip liner is 304 and it's Suburbia, and it is just gorgeous. I have it on my lips. I also picked up the lipstick. Let me give you a little show, and it is just fabulous. What a color. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And the lipstick is called Soft Core, and it's so, so pretty. And then last but certainly not least is this beauty right here, and this is the lip gloss, and this is called Divine Rose. And so I've got all three things on my lips, and I think they're just fabulous. Love it. Love the color. There you go. Beautiful. So I'm excited about that. Let me know if you're interested in my doing a comparison between Divine Rose 1 and Divine Rose 2 or anything like that. I'd be happy to do it from the point of view of a layman's point of view and not the makeup expert. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. This is what I picked up in the last few weeks. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I will have a couple more videos coming up. I have picked up a couple of items and I hadn't been able to upload. I was out of town taking care of some personal things, but I'm back now, excited to be with you guys, and I'll see you the next time. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.